Number 10 says, a child with a BSA of 0.41 square meters has an order for Periactin TID, and they want us to find the dosage in milligrams per day. So we have the BSA already, so I don't need to use the formula, but I do need to set up a proportion with the rate that also has a m squared, and that would be this one. So 8 mg over 1 square meter is equal to x over 0.41 square meters. And if I solve this proportion, then x is going to be equal to 3.28, but they want us to round this to the nearest tenth, so 3.3 milligrams. Next, they want us to find the dosage in mLs per day. So I need to convert this to liquid form, or mLs. So I'm going to use the strength and set up a proportion. And if I solve that proportion, then I get 8.25, but I want to round that to the nearest tenth, so it will be 8.3 mLs. And then lastly, they say how many mLs per dose. So I want to find the per dose of the mLs, so I'm going to take the 8.3, and because it's TID, that means 3 doses in a day. So if I'm trying to get from day to dose, I divide, and I would divide by 3 here. So 8.3 divided by 3, we get 2.76 repeating, so that rounds to 2.8 mLs.